Good morning. I am Shantanu Shukla, conducting of the class 10, subject chemistry, lesson 2nd, acid, base and salt. I explained before about acid. These are given to definition of acid, physical property, chemical property and use in our life of acid. I explained about the base. What is the base? Base, those chemical substances are very smoothly and its taste is the bitter. Those chemical substances is the kind of the base. But according to Arrhenius, those chemical substances dissolve in water and give us a reduce of OH power minus ion. That is the called of the hydroxyl ion. That is the called of the hydroxyl ion. Those chemical substances is the called of base. For example, NaOH. It is the presence of the hydroxyl ion. So it is the called of the base. CaOH. It is the presence of the hydroxyl ion, that is the called of the base. KOH, it is the presence of the OH ion, that is the called of the hydroxyl ion, it is the base. According to Arrhenius, a strong base. What is the strong base? According to Arrhenius, those bases dissolve in water and give a more fastly hydroxyl ion. Those bases is the strong base. For example, the NaOH is the dissolved in water and more fastly give up hydroxyl ion. This reason NaOH is the strong base. NaOH is the strong base. KOH is the strong base. CaOH का whole point is the strong base because these bases are dissolved in water. These are more fastly reduced to hydroxyl ion. This reason it is the more strong base. Second, weak base. Those base dissolved in water but give up a very slowly hydroxyl ion. Those base is the weak base. For example, here we react with OH. इसको क्या कहोगे? Ammonium hydroxide. Ammonium hydroxide is the weak base because these bases are dissolved in water. These are a very slowly hydroxyl ion. This reason it is the weak base. And physical and chemical properties of base. Physical and chemical properties of base. ये property है. Property. First होगा physical property. Physical properties are as following. First, the base test is bitter. The base test is bitter. First. Second physical state, the base dissolved in water and touch to its, these are a more smoothly. more smoothly. Third, it is dissolved in water. It is soluble in water. It is soluble in water. There are a physical property. Second, chemical property. Chemical property of base are following. First, react with metal. React with metal. The base Fe react with base LaOH is equal to FeONa plus H2. What? 2Fe is equal to reduce of hydrogen. क्या कहोगे? The base react with the metal, form to big metal oxide and reduce of the hydrogen gas. Reduce of the hydrogen gas. Second, react with acid. React with acid. Base react with acid, form to salt and water. NaOH is the base. React with the hydrochloric acid, form to 2NaCl is the salt and water equals 2H2O. What is the form of the acid react with the base? Base react with the acid, form to salt and water molecules. First reaction, react with metal, form to hydrogen gas. Second, react with acid, form to water molecule with salt, and salt react with the non-metal oxide. Third chemical property, base react with the non-metal oxide. Non-metal oxide CaO plus फॉर्म करेगा बेस NaOH इज इक्वल टू मेटल ऑक्साइड होगा CO या CO2 रिएक्ट विथ बनेगा क्या Na2CO3 प्लस H2 मैनेज कर दो यस व्हाट इज द फॉर्म metal carbonate and release of the hydrogen gas. Release of the hydrogen gas. What is the chemical property of the base? First, base react with the metals. These are formed to metal oxide and with hydrogen gas. For example, 2Fe react with the 2NaOH. Produce of the FeONa plus H2 hydrogen gas is the release. Second, base react with the acid. Base react with the acid form to salt and the water molecules. Base react with the non-metal oxide. For example, carbon dioxide react with the sodium hydroxide H2, Na2CO3 and hydrogen gas are reduced. These are a chemical property of the base. These are a chemical property of the base. What is the use of the base? What is the use of the base? Use of base. First होगा AlOH का whole tribe, aluminum hydroxide are used in our anti-acidity for indigestions. अर्थात जो एसिडिटी ज़्यादा फॉर्म हो जाती है उस एसिडिटी को कम करने के लिए हम बेस का प्रयोग करते हैं। वो कौन सा बेस है? एल्युमिनियम हाइड्रोक्साइड। इसको हम लोग एक शब्द में कहेंगे एंटाएसिड। एंटाएसिड आर यूज्ड टू एल्युमिनियम हाइड्रोक्साइड। सेकेंड CaOH का whole tribe is used for wall painting। अर्थात हम लोग काली चूना का पानी में घोल करके उसकी ये चार दीवारी को वॉशिंग करते हैं। ये वॉशिंग करने में इसका उपयोग जो है किया जाता है। थर्ड जो है हम लोग पेस्ट करते हैं, क्योंकि माउथ के अंदर जो एसिडिटी बढ़ जाती है उसमें बेस का ही प्रयोग करके न्यूट्रलाइज करते हैं और न्यूट्रलाइज करके उससे जो है हम लोग ये कंट्रोल कर ये माउथ को जो है फ्रेश करते हैं। फोर्थ, बहुत से ऐसे तरह के जो है इंसेक्टा होती है, चींटियां होती है जो काटती है, तो काटने से उसमें मेथनोइक एसिड, फोर्मिक एसिड involved in our body. These are a very harmful and painful in our body. These are a control by base. Base is the react with the acid, form to salt and water. This reaction is the called of the neutralized reaction. This region or pain is the control. ये हम लोग अपने दैनिक जीवन में बहुत से ऐसे बेस का यूज जो है करते हैं। फर्स्ट मैंने क्या बोला? एल्युमिनियम हाइड्रोक्साइड यूज फॉर एंटाएसिड। सेकंड बोला कैल्शियम हाइड्रोक्साइड यूज फॉर व्हाइट वॉशिंग। थर्ड मैंने बोला ये माउथ गम, कंट्रोल इन आवर माउथ गम फॉर ए पेस्ट। This pest is the base, mouth is the acid, product of the acid. Those base react with the acid and are to neutralize reaction. This is the regions, our mouth is the face. फोर्थ मैंने बोला कि इसमें बहुत से ऐसे इंसेक्ट, बी हनी एंड इंसेक्ट आर डंक काटते हैं तो उसमें से मेथेनोइक एसिड, उसमें से फोर्मिक एसिड हम लोग के बॉडी के अंदर इंजेक्ट होकर के बहुत ही पेनफुल दर्द उत्पन्न करता है। उसको हम बेस से ही कंट्रोल करके वो जो है अपने दर्द से निजात पाते हैं, कंट्रोल करते हैं। थैंक यू। ये हमने आज जो बोला है वो जो है टोटली बेस के बारे में बोला है। व्हाट इज दी बेस? फर्स्ट मैंने एक्सप्लेन किया, दोज टेस्ट इज दी वाइटर and the very smoothly in a dissolved of water, that is the called of the base. But according to Arrhenius, those chemical substances dissolved in water give us hydroxyline. Those chemical substances is the called of the base. For example, NaOH. OH is the presence. This region is the base. CaOH whole tribe. KOH, these are a base. Base is divided into two parts, strong base and weak base. What is this strong base? Those base dissolved in water give us more fastly hydroxyl ion, those base is the strong base. For example, NaOH, KOH, CaOH का whole type is the strong base. Weak base, those base dissolved in water, reduced of the very slowly of the hydroxyl ion, those base is the weak base. For example, ammonium hydroxide is the weak base. Property of base. Property of base, physical property. This color is this litmus paper is a blue litmus paper dissolved in base, red litmus paper dissolved in base. These color change into blue color. Second मैंने बोला it is dissolved in water and form to very smoothly. For example, सोप को हम लोग वाटर के अंदर डिजॉल्व करते हैं तो बहुत ही चिकना या स्मूथ जो है फीलिंग होती है. थर्ड मैंने बोला कि ये जो है हॉट जो है कम होते, सॉफ्ट ज़्यादा होते हैं. फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टी, केमिकल प्रॉपर्टी में मैंने बोला कि केमिकल रिएक्शन दिस बेस रिएक्ट विथ दी मेटल्स फॉर टू मेटल ऑक्साइड एंड हाइड्रोजन गैस. सेकंड बोला कि रिएक्ट विथ दी नॉन मेटल ऑक्साइड, the base react with the non-metal oxide form to carbonate and hydrogen gas is the release. Third मैंने बोला react with acid, base react with the acid form to salt and water molecules. What is the use of the base? Base is the use for antioxidant. For example, ALOH का whole type. Second मैंने बोला CaOH का whole type is the use for the valve painting. Third मैंने बोला कि base is used for to antacid and neutralize for the mouth and control in our pain from insects, methanoic acid and fulvic acid, etc. Thank you.